guys, it's Nikki. So for today's video, I'll be doing an updated makeup routine. I decided to make this video because I haven't filmed one in like a year or two, I think. I don't even remember, but I'll have that video in the description box below. But yeah, my makeup routine has changed quite a bit, and also it takes me like literally 10 minutes or less to do my makeup now because I've gotten to a point where I just feel very lazy when it comes to doing my makeup. So I just do very natural and easy, quick, simple makeup. And also this is a sneak peek of my room. I'll be doing a room tour after this video, so keep an eye out for that. But this is like a different setup. I just wanted to film in front of my window and also in front, or I'm like sitting on my vanity. You guys will see in the room tour. So yeah. So the first thing I do is I apply moisturizer. I use this Olay moisturizer with SPF 15, and then I apply a primer. So I just grab whatever primer I can find, literally. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Also, my hair is wet because I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna run some errands and do some stuff. So yeah, the next thing I'll be doing, or oh my gosh, my mind is like going blank. I don't know why. What is wrong with me today? But the next thing I'm gonna apply is a concealer, and I only use concealer because it's very lightweight. And I'm gonna use a beauty blender and just spray it with water and then blend. Okay, so the next thing I do after I apply the concealer, I'm gonna use Mario Badescu spray and just spray this all over my face. Oh my gosh, I don't know this number. Why? I've been getting like random calls from these weird numbers. The next thing I do is I'm gonna apply my powder, and I just use this Airspun loose face powder. It's so amazing. I just apply this all over my face, just very lightly. Why do I look like a ghost? And then I take like a little brush like this, and then I just apply it underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna bronze up my face, just kind of contour it a little bit. So just gonna do that very lightly. And then I'm gonna use a blush, and I'm gonna use this Tarte Amazonian Clay blush, and then I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks. So for my highlighter, I'm probably just gonna use the e.l.f. Heart highlighter. I love this highlighter so much. It is the best highlighter, or the best drugstore highlighter. And I'm just gonna apply it on my, I almost said brow bone. I'm gonna apply it on my, what is this called? Oh my gosh, why is, seriously, my brain is not working today. But yeah, you know the deal. Just apply it on your high points. And I like to apply a little bit on my nose. I think it's kind of cute. And then now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm done with my face. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. So I always use the Anastasia, what is this called? Like brow powder duo. I love this thing. So what I do is just brush it up and then just follow the shape of my brows. And I just go like that. And just kind of darken it. If you guys want like an eyebrow routine, I don't know if that's a thing, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll show you guys how I do my eyebrows every day. And then I'm just gonna take this Anastasia clear brow gel. Oh my gosh, I just dropped it. Great, there's like a hair on it. Okay, I'm clumsy. So I'm gonna take this clear brow gel by Anastasia and I just brush up my brows to set them in place. And then I go back to the brow powder duo and just kind of fix the end. And then the last thing I do is apply mascara. And I have so many mascaras, you guys. Look at this. But this is my favorite right now. Or it's been my favorite for months. So I'm just gonna lightly apply. I do like one coat some days, and then other days I do like 2 coats. And I love to apply on the bottom lashes too. So, and I'm done. Then I'm just gonna spray the Mario Basco again. All over my face. And I also applied my lip balm before I put on all that makeup. Currently, right now, I've been loving this MAC Velvet Teddy. So I think that's just what I'm gonna put. It's very like peachy, kind of like nude peachy color. And then I've also been loving this Steve Laurent Orchid lip gloss. And I'll probably put a little bit in the middle. So that's all. Sorry if my hair looks like a mess. It's getting dry now, but yeah, so that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also turn on your post notifications if you haven't turned that on yet, so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss any of my videos, right? But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, I guess. Room tour is up next, so keep an eye out for that. It's gonna be great, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.